Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check internal value, internal storage in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Go to settings. Then go to RAM and storage. Go to RAM and storage here, and here we will find storage. So total storage here showing 128 GB. Okay, so out of which 33.46 is used. So this is one method of checking storage, that is internal storage. Suppose if you'd like to check with another method, go to the settings first, then go to about phone here, and here you will find phone storage. Phone storage given is here is 128 GB. Also you have other method, but only you will see the free storage, that is in the internal storage how much storage is free, that can be visible to you. Okay, so for that to go to home screen and go to files, and here go to internal storage. Go to internal storage, and yes, in the internal storage itself it's showing that 95 GB is free. Okay, so only free space will be showing here. So in this way, in this three way, you can check how much internal storage your phone has. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.